1 p.m. East African time. You're watching the Daily Report. This is the marketplace, the one place that you definitely sure would be giving you insights about making sure that that little money that you have somewhere, you can always double it up. We're going to be having these practical sessions just for you so that you can understand. Tonight we tackle quite a conversation about Forex trading, particularly in Kenya. You may have heard this and you may have brushed it off saying it's scam. Well, you may have also done it and you have your own experience, and we'd love to know your experience on the same. And tonight we're joined by Esther Muriithi. She is a Forex trader as well as a trainer. You probably know her as Mofrey. Karibu sana.
Thank you so much.
First off, before we continue, who is Mofrey?
So Esther Muriithi is a born-again Christian.
Okay.
Above all, I'm a wife, I'm a mother, and I love Forex. That's what I do.
All right.
Yeah.
Where did this journey of Forex start?
So it began back in 2020, the time of COVID. And you remember everyone was in lockdown, no movement, nothing. So that is the time that I decided to go on YouTube and try a skill that I can make money in the house. So 5 years down the line. 5 years down the line. Yes. And as much as Mofrey is what people call you, tonight I'm calling you Mwalimu because this is your pen. Yes. This is our notepad that you're going to be having so that you can also, outline everything that you need here. Exactly. On WhatsApp, 0793 267 279 is our WhatsApp number. Throw in all those questions that you have for Mofrey, 0795 045 864. Write that number down right now because you definitely need it. As you continue, call in live should be answering your questions as you continue. 22047 is our SMS number. Mwalimu, before we start, first off, what is Forex? So Forex trading? Forex so simply is the exchange of foreign currency from one currency to another currency. Okay. I know many people don't know, but Forex is two names. There's the FOR and there's the EX. Yes. So there's the foreign and the exchange. Okay. So simply we are exchanging one currency to another currency. So for instance, someone may think like M-Pesa, the way you go to M-Pesa is Forex. That's not Forex because you are taking Kenya shillings and being exchanged by Kenya shillings. But if you go to a bank and you want dollars, you want euro, you want pound, so bank, they can do Forex for you. All right. Yeah, so Forex simply, in simple terms, is foreign exchange of one currency to another currency. So if you have Kenya shillings and I have Kenya shillings, we are not doing Forex. That's not Forex. It has to be different. It has to be different. So the time you have dollars and I have Kenya shillings, we exchange, now that is Forex. Right. Yeah, so even as you continue, you're going to be seeing on one side of a screen, just having those, that particular chart, you'd be seeing that, but then we're going to be, now what you're going to be doing here is showcasing us for that. But before this, you talk about currencies. Yes. So people, wondering, you've mentioned a number of currencies that people definitely know. Exactly. Like dollars, someone would know dollars, are from this particular place. Euros from Europe. Could you tell us now the kind of currencies that are there, as well as which ones are more common? So in the Forex market, we have 7 major currencies from Euro, Pound, JPY, CHF, I mentioned a few, but the most traded is USD, Euro, and the Pound. Right. Those are the most traded. Okay. Yeah. Why? Is there a particular reason for that? I feel it's because of the first world, because of course because US dollar is in America, Pound is in UK, and the Euro is in Europe. So of course you can't compare Kenya shillings and Indian rupee. Okay, I'm not like hating, but of course you can't compare these small currencies to the big currencies that have been there for years and years and years. So people love to trade USD, Euro, and Pound because number one, there's trust, and it has been there for years. Right. Yes. Right. When you've definitely heard of the word luck. Yes. And this being used alongside Forex trading. Yeah. Is it always about luck, or do you need a special skill to know when I put my money here? And you'll also be telling us how much do you invest? No, it's not about luck. Forex is just like
any other business. And I feel that's the problem where people go wrong in the first place, thinking it's a get rich quick. It's just a business like any other business. So you have to make a decision, number one, and then you have to be ready to go in the process. So there's the skill to be acquired. And some people are lucky how they can spend less time, like a year, and others can spend 5 years. So when you talk of luck, maybe the time frame of understanding and getting and acquiring the skill. But when you speak of luck in making money, you have to put the input.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, 0795 045 864 is the number to call us live. Ask us all those questions that you have, even as Mwalimu starts. So this being our masterclass tonight, I am a beginner of Forex, and so are many of our viewers tonight.
Sure.
What is the first thing that we need to know about this Forex?
So like I've said, the first thing is to understand what is Forex, and I've said it's two names. So you are not exchanging the same currency, you're exchanging different currency. The second thing is to understand that we have 7 major currencies that I mentioned, but we do not trade a currency by itself. That's why we trade two. So when we say two, we call it a pair. So this is what we trade in the Forex market. We don't trade a single. We don't just trade, oh, today I'm trading USD. No, we don't trade this. We trade a pair. So if today I am trading GBP, this is the pound. If today I'm trading GBP, I will trade it against USD.
The Great Britain pound.
Exactly. So we don't trade single, because if you trade single is exchange of the same currency. So you must have a different currency. So that is the first thing that we explain to a beginner. The first thing is to trade, you are trading a pair, GBP USD. So, and when we come to pairs, we said the GBP USD and Euro are the most traded currencies, but when it comes to pairs now, we are pairing is GBP USD, we have the Euro, and you will tell me what is common, even as you are a beginner, and then we have the AUD USD. What do you think is common in the three?
The three. I'd say the first one, GBP.
No, what is common in the three?
Oh, the USD.
You are my
the
student,
USD,
remember.
USD. Okay.
What is common?
The USD is common in all.
Exactly. So because USD is the common, we don't just say USD. The first currency as we group, it's always a base. This is a base. And this is a quote. So you should have answered what is common. So it has the same quote. Yeah, not USD, because tomorrow I will pair Euro versus JPY. You see now the USD will vanish. So you don't say USD, you just say the quote.
Quote is,
So we have two things. We have the base and we have the quote. So the reason why we group like this is because of when it comes to trading. By the way, there's something I tell people, you can trade by knowing what base does and what cost does. So if the base is strong, you see this one? If it is strong, and this is a secret, many people don't know. If the base is strong, the market will buy. When you come here, if the quote is strong, it will do what? Guess? Just guess. There's no wrong answers.
If it is so if it is strong, then
it's the opposite.
It
will sell.
It will sell. So buying and selling, now that makes sense.
Exactly.
That definitely makes sense. So and before we continue, because hapa tuna pole pole so that people can really understand. What do you mean by strong?
I mean, so there is the value in the Forex market, and there is the strength. We don't trade value, we trade strength. So when I explain strong, the strength, I have first to explain value. So when it comes to value, value is fixed. For instance, if I'm comparing USD with our Kenya shillings, many people now will know about the value because the exchange rate is about 1:2, either 129 or 130. Now, definitely that one you will understand what I am saying about the value. But when you come to strength, some people are still trading USD case and they are making money because the strength of a currency keep changing. it keeps evaluating, as in it keeps changing every second. But the value, it is fixed. It takes time. So when I talk of strength are the things that makes a currency either change today, change in the next minute. For instance, political, health, calamities. So those things makes today USD strong, tomorrow it's not. So when I speak of if the base is strong, I can buy GBP USD today because pound is strong today, and then tomorrow I sell GBP USD because USD is strong tomorrow.
Right.
So we don't trade value. So if we trade value, we can't trade.
So that means as a trader, you definitely need to know what is happening globally.
Exactly.
And see if right now Britain something has happened and your leader has been chosen, you know, something, the market will again change.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Another thing that I can add is that we have two types of trading. We have the technical analysis and then we have the fundamental analysis. So for the technical analysis is when you have the charts. I hope we will have that chance of seeing the charts, the graph, the candles. That is technical analysis. For the fundamental analysis is when you're trading the news. For instance, when we knew America had election and we were maybe to speculate this one will win. So if this one win, the USD had so much power.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So this is the first page.
Exactly.
Just you can add on the plus sign there. On the plus sign, yes, you can add a second page. We'll begin to already page 1 so that our students don't now pole pole. So for page 2, you mentioned the graphs, which we'll be getting. We're preparing them, the whole charts of them. But then before we get to the analysis of this charts, so help us with the charts because you have the red slide as well as the green, so that we understand when we see a chart.
What are you expecting?
What are we even looking at, really?
Yeah, so for the charts, you see, what we did, it's introduction, which is very, 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 very important.
Unit 1.
Exactly, Module 1.
Yes.
So for Module 2, we introduced that there are 2 players in the market. We have 2 players, not 3.
2 players.
Exactly.
Okay.
So we have the buyers, and that's why I was not mentioning the buyers, and then we have the sellers. So these are the players in the market, and there is a 50% of you winning every time in Forex, 50%, because it's either you are buying or you are selling. So for buyers, the representation of buyers in our charts, the defaulted color, because many people they can change, is green. And the representation of sell in our chart is red. So don't be confused when we get to the charts.
Okay.
Don't be confused. So green is for buyers, red is for sellers, okay?
Okay.
So green, when the market, another name for green, we can say the market is uptrend. And here we can say the market is downtrend.
All right.
So I can illustrate.
Yes. Just a plus, yes.
So uptrend, and you will try. Uptrend. So who is in control in this uptrend?
The red represents?
No, it's not about red. It's the trend.
The trend.
Yeah. So here you can do a different.
For green.
Exactly. Let me just do different so that you don't confuse red and green. So here, I'm just doing a trend. This is a trend. I have taught you what the trend means. It's not about the color. It's the trend. Come back to class. The trend is up.
Yes.
Is it going up?
Yes, it is.
So who is in control?
Is it the buyer?
Exactly.
Yes.
You are right. Perfect. So buyers are in control. So if I do the trend, is it going down?
Yes.
Do you think it's going down? It's going down.
Yes.
You have to train your eyes. It's going down. Yes. So who is in control?
The seller?
Sellers. So remember base and quote. So if this trend is going up, who is in control? Base and quote.
Base and quote. Where?
We said if base is strong, we buy. So buying means market is going up. So base here is strong.
Yes.
So if I was trading GBP USD, this is my pair, and I find a trend like this, I would likely buy. because base is strong.
Okay.
If I find my chart like this, I would likely sell because quote is the one that is strong on this trend.
Right.
With time, you will get something.
I see. Nimeanza kuiona.
Yeah. So this is the basic. In fact, this is the basic level of understanding the charts. And the next thing that I can introduce someone who is a beginner, we have 3 tools of trade. So let me have a new page.
Yes.
We have 3 tools of trade. Can you guess?
3 tools of trade.
Yeah, tools of trade. Like this, any Forex trader, you take their phone, they won't lack any of these tools. 3 tools of trade. Just guess. And don't say M-Pesa.
Wow. Leo mwalimu umemua. You put me on the spotlight here.
Exactly. 3 tools of trade.
3 tools of trade. Do they have anything to do with online transfer of money?
What the tools of trade, the tools that helps us to trade, let me just help you. Number 1, you need a broker.
Okay.
Do you know the work of the broker? The work of the broker is to do what? He gives you access. He's the one who gives you permission to go to the live market.
Okay.
Because where are you going to the live market? Who will you say sent you there? You see the way we transact via M-Pesa? Who has authorized you? Safaricom.
Okay. Also, at this point, that particular company is the broker. Okay.
So we have different types of brokers, international, local. It's you to choose.
Okay.
And the way I can help beginners, if you want to choose a good broker, we look at how you are transacting from funding and withdrawing.
Right.
So do I fund, if I'm in Kenya, will I fund with M-Pesa? That's a tick for me because it's easier. Will I withdraw with the M-Pesa? Of course, it's an added plus. Another thing, it has to be regulated. You don't want a broker who will go with your money. You see, that's a key point.
Yes, it is.
So broker gives you what? Access to the market. Right. So if you want to trade Forex today and you don't have a broker, you're joking.
Okay.
It's like you want to transact and you don't have Safaricom number.
Okay. I get it. So broker is number 1. Number 2?
Number 2, we need the platform, MT4. So there are people who use MT4 and we have the MT5.
Okay.
So this is the platform where you can now be able to view the market. So for instance, if I have the permission from the broker, but I don't have the platform, what do you think will happen? Where will I place the trades? I need that platform to see GBP/USD, to see live market, to see how markets are moving up and down. You see, that is so important.
Yes.
The MT4, MT5, it's called MetaTrader. It's like a software that you download. It's an app.
Okay.
You can download to your PC, to your phone. Perfect. Number 3, how will you buy and sell? Where are you analyzing the market? Or you will be guessing in luck. So you need a website. We call it TradingView website. TradingView website. So many people use this TradingView website because it has everything. It has stocks, it has crypto, it has Forex, it has metals, it has everything. So if you're a metal trader, like you trade gold, you won't go to another place. For us, Forex traders, we are still there trading on TradingView. So TradingView is one of the best. And so these are the tools.
Yes, and even before we continue the tools of trade, that is one question that I've seen pop up here. Are you able to sell, buy and sell between a currency, let's say USD, as well as the metal?
Yeah, you can, and that is gold. You can trade gold versus USD.
Okay.
And I have seen majority of traders doing that, trading gold versus USD and silver versus USD.
Right.
But I know it is there, gold versus pound, gold versus other things, but the most popular is gold versus USD. And many people like it, more so traders, because it has a lot of money. The volatility is so big. So many people love trading gold. Why? Because it has quick money. So they love it.
Right.
Yeah.
So now the fact that someone has these tools of trade, ladies and gentlemen, in case you're joining right now, Forex for beginner particularly, I as a beginner, maybe after this particular conversation, I might try and see if I'll be able to get into this. So after I have this,
am
I able to now look at a chart and be able to start understanding it?
So now you have the tools, you have an understanding what you're getting yourself into. I need to give you how will you place the trade? Let's say you have analyzed. How will you use the platform? Because imagine you don't know how to use the platform. So this is the MT4. So you need education to use the platform. Imagine you have bought a car and you don't know how to drive. So it will be a disaster. So using MT4, it's not hard, but I would highlight, it's just that we don't have a physical way of showing you, but the first thing you need to know how to place a trade on a MT4, place a trade, and close a trade.
Right. And the fact that you asked, you mentioned that, there's a question slightly related to what you're saying. Someone says, hey, I'm Steve from Naivasha. I'm asking what are the likely best strategies of trading FX? But now for this one, what you're talking about. Second, what is the best time to trade Forex? And how do you use different time to enter trade? Thanks.
Yeah, so for the time, you see, I answer that.
Yes, yes.
So for the times, we have four time sessions. The first one is London session, and then we have New York session. So the London session, if you're in Kenya, it's between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you're trading pound, euro, that's the best time for you. It's like the way everyone is going to work, even you will go to work at that time.
So
when you're trading,
nisipige mtu Forex between that time.
That's one. Also, euro traders and pound traders. When you come to the New York session, people who really trade USD, the New York session starts at 3 p.m. all the way to 8 p.m. So New York traders, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m., they are good to go. And then now we have the Sydney session for AUD pairs and NZD pairs, starts at 10 p.m. So if you work during the day, yes, if you work during the day, you can still trade at night because there is a volatility there.
Right, continue.
So you need MT4, just know how to place a trade and close a trade, because if you don't know how to place a trade and close a trade, it will be a problem. So that is the last thing about the platform, the tools and everything. And I feel the other thing is to understand how to use now the TradingView website, because even that, the website, TradingView, this website has some tools in it, how to use horizontal lines, boxes, all those for your analysis. So this one, it's another thing. Once we have the TradingView, I can just highlight 2 or 3 things.
So later on, we'll be getting that. I know
exactly.
The production team, they're working on that so that we can have the whole site. So that we would like to now understand how the charts look like. So even as you also open another page and have the different colors of the ink so that we have that. There's a question here. Good evening, TV47. I'm Bramwell from Nairobi. How much amount do I need to invest as a beginner?
So when it comes to invest, you see, it depends with the broker, and also it depends with the person. So there are brokers who take as low as $5, and there are brokers who, if you don't have $250, buy. I don't want to see you. And then there are people who, they have $5 to start with, others they have $1,000 to start with. So that question, it has no one answer. So it depends with the beginner, the student who is coming to trade, and also the choice of the broker.
Right.
Yes.
So, Bramwell, I hope you've got that. Help us with this chart here.
Yes.
You can draw for us how it basically looks like before now we get to see how the market is right now. So,
I like showing this to everyone who I'm training. Of course, everyone have a TV in their house. And this TV has different stations. So we have different stations, and all those stations, they're in this one TV. The same way, this website has so many time frames. For instance, we have monthly time frame, we have weekly time frame, daily and 4-hour, and so forth and so forth. So these time frames, they give out candles. And I will start with this candle, like this. So this candle, it's me to choose which time frame I want it to be. If I choose it on 1 month, I will only see one candle in a month. That is it. We in a month of January, I can see 2 candles. If I choose 1 candle every day, I will have a Monday candle, a Tuesday candle, a Thursday candle. So there are people who say, I'm a day trader. they will come every day to check their candle. So this candle, you can see it is red. We call it bearish. So these are bearish candle. And then we have another color, like I said, the green one.
Green one, okay.
So I have this green one. And this one is bullish.
Bearish and bullish, okay.
Yes. So you can say, I am very bearish on gold. I mean, I'm selling.
Okay.
I'm very bullish on gold. I mean, I'm buying.
I mean, I've had some of this lingo.
Yeah.
I realize this, my Forex trader friends just...
yeah. Hey, the market is bearish.
Yes.
It is selling. The market is bullish. I
now get it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And the market that is bearish, it means it has so many red candles. And the market that is bullish, it means it is going printing more green candles like that. And a market that is bearish means that it's printing more of red candles like this. Yeah.
Okay.
So when you open the chart and you see red, it means this market is selling.
Okay.
Sellers are in control.
Right.
So for the chart, that's what you need just to understand that there is bearish candles and there is bullish candles. But another thing that is very important is that not all bearish candles are the same.
Right.
So I want to draw bearish candles, like
please.
5 of them,
Yes, please.
and then you try to tell me the difference. So we have this. This is the first one. And then I have this. And then I have this, and then I have this. All these are bearish candles, but are not the same. And they have names. So there are people who say, I had a question about strategies.
Yes.
There are people who use candles names as strategies. So all this is a momentum bearish candle. This is a hammer, this is a pin bar, this is a dragonfly, this is a spinning top. This is a bearish, it's just a momentum candle.
Okay.
Momentum. This one is a hammer. This one is a pin bar.
That will remember dragon something.
Yeah, dragonfly.
Dragonfly. Then...
You know, even if I lie to you, you won't know. You will go and, hey, I saw dragonfly. And then spinning top.
Okay.
Yes. So they do, they have different kinds and information. It's like you have so many cars on the road, but when you see Mercedes,
right.
Hey, you know, it's expensive. Of course, when you see all these candles, they mean sell, but this one, you can enter with it sell.
Okay.
The rest, they mean different,
right.
even if it's a sell.
There's some of these candles that you were talking about just behind you. Are they the same? I mean, what are we looking at on the same?
Exactly. So these candles, you can see some are printing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just first like this, and then you look at them, yeah?
Like this. So we can see the candle that is printing right now is a bearish candle.
Okay.
And I feel this is a 1 minute time frame because it's happening so quickly.
Okay.
So the reason why it is happening that quickly is because of the choice of the time frame. If you can put at a different time frame, you will see it will take like 60 seconds before that candle forms. So there's that waiting.
Right.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
The couple of questions here. I know you can't really learn Forex in 30 minutes. Just to sample about 3 or 4 questions, then you can give out your contacts so that they can throw some of this more. Does the same principle apply when trading with stock at the Nairobi Security Exchange? Does the same principle apply when trading with stock at the Nairobi Security Exchange? This is Steven asking.
No, because you see, for stocks, there are people who don't use charts. They use speculation and they hold. You see, for Forex is in and out. In and out. For stock, you will hold until maybe it appreciates to a certain amount. So you can't use the strategies on Forex to stocks. It will be, it won't work the same way.
Right.
Yeah.
So a final one here as we just wrap it up. Someone is saying, hello, I'm Frederick from Kakamega. What can you say about prop firms? Are they real for someone with capital issues?
So for me, I don't believe in pro firms. And it's because imagine you're a beginner and then you buy a pro firm of $10,000. So what are you doing with $10,000? Again, the amount, they are not free. The amount that you pay to buy the $10,000, why don't you fund and start at the bottom? So for me, I don't encourage pro firm.
Right.
I don't.
Right.
Yes.
So I want you to look at the camera in front of you. For someone, I know the questions are coming in. So probably a sentence or two to a beginner who would really love to join today, and they're wondering, do we even have enough money for this, as well as could give out your contact?
Yeah, so what I can tell anyone who is watching me right at this moment is that Forex is real and Forex can change your life. It takes only one step of you to just go either on YouTube and start from what I have shown you. So you just try it. Don't allow money to be the limitation of you not starting. And again, you will start today. You can even start with a demo account. There's something we call demo account. You can start with that if you don't have money. So if you want to follow more, I am on YouTube and I call myself Esther Mofrey, and this is my contacts. You've said Aisha. 0700 344 066. Let me repeat. 0700 344 066. Yes.
Right. Quite a number of questions coming in. The last one here, Charles Mackenzie. How much can one start with, please?
Yeah.
Said it doesn't.
As low as $5.
As low as $5.
And you have to know
shillings,
the broker. In Kenya shillings, like 700. 700, Bob.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Esther Muriithi, Mofrey, a Forex trader as well as a trader. Thank you very much for all your questions and feedbacks. We'll be having more of that for Esther to continue having them here. This is your weekly dose of Matters Money, so that you can always understand, with the money that I have, how can I increase this particular money that I have. Santeni sana. Roda Nyamai has been on the Sun Language docket. I'm yours truly, Stanley Nyeringita. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.